Now, do the mateys and matesses, Fiddle the Silent Biker here with another vlog, and I'm all excited because I've got a new toy. Yep, got myself a new drift camera. Woohoo! Now my videos might look professional. Probably won't, but they just might. I've wanted one for a while, seen other people's vlogs. Wanted to do some rear facing pictures, and unfortunately my Sony camera wouldn't do it because it's it's got a strange vibrating noise when I attach it to the motorbike, and quite frankly I don't want it to break down, so quite happy with it planted onto my helmet. So I've been looking for a new camera for a while. Tried some really cheap, nasty Chinese ones, ranging from a £5, which actually didn't do such a bad job. Ooh, wrong gear. And again. Yeah, it only cost me a £5, and it didn't do a bad job, but gave up the ghost after only 3 or 4 goes. So pays what you get for, or something like that. I've tried other cameras as well, including my mobile phone. Just doesn't work for me. Everything on this bike vibrates like mad, and it's not even a Harley. Ooh. Feels smooth enough when you're riding it, but everything just vibrates, the mirrors and everything, and the fairing. Anyway, looking at other people's vlogs, the vast majority of people use either GoPros, which are totally and utterly out of my price range, even the original ones, or drift cameras, which also are well out of my price range. Well, you can pick them up a bit cheaper now for a new one. Anyway, I regularly go on Amazon looking for, well, I was looking for a new camera on Amazon. And imagine my delight when I saw a drift camera for 58 quid. Only 58 quid. Bit dearer than what I wanted to spend on another camera, but I had to go for it. And yeah, so here it is. It is of course a reconditioned or returned one. You know, someone's had it for a day or two and didn't like it. But I tell you, it's like brand new. Got it out of the packet. Couldn't tell it even been used before. Well chuffed. So yeah, so what is it? It's a Drift HD 170, and it's a 1080p HD camera, which is what I was looking for, so you can see me in glorious detail. Okay, matey. I love coming up this road. Look at that view. Wouldn't mind living around there. You probably couldn't see it, it's probably too quick. Anyway, so yeah, but the reason I'm telling you about the cheapness of it and how good it is because there's more of them on Amazon. I couldn't, they're only 58 quid or so, and if I had more money I'd buy them myself. But I've given you a link down below, so if you fancy one, check it out. You might still have some in. Bargain. If you already have a drift, I would love it if you could give me any hints on mounting or just anything really. So, hints and tips about the drift would be appreciated. Thank you very much. Link below if you want to check out, see if they've got any more. At 58 quid, can't go wrong. If I had another 58 quid I would buy another one. So if you found this interesting, give me a like. I'd like to see more likes. I've got to do something interesting, I guess. But anyway, like me, subscribe, or share me, but better still just comment. Give us a comment, write something down below. Oh, bloody indicating again. I really should look down at my speedo more often. So this is Phil the biker. No, this is Phil the silent biker saying bye bye for now. Of course I am a biker, because I ride a bike. But I'm silent as well, because inside a helmet no one can hear you swear at them. Decent horn, that's what's needed. Oh, big bus, we don't like big buses. Big gaps we do like. Schools are back. Never show off to school kids. I had a mate who did that. Thought, oh, I know what, I'll set off really fast. Bike did an instant wheelie and he dropped it. Lesson learned. And so, this is Phil, the silent biker, saying see you for now. Like, subscribe, or comment. See you all. Bye.